Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Scribd on your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to showcase documents, PDFs, or presentations directly on your site, making your content more accessible and professional for your visitors. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Go ahead and click on it, and right underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Click that to proceed. Now you'll see a list of your websites. Choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the editor page of your website, where you can make all your customizations. Before we continue with the website setup, we need to grab the embedded code from Scribd, open a new tab, and navigate to scribd.com. Log into your Scribd account and browse through your documents to find the one you want to embed on your Weebly site. Once you've located the document, click on it and then click Read Now. This will open the document viewer. Wait for the page to finish loading completely, as this ensures all the embedding options are available. Now look for the embed option on the page. Click on it and you'll be presented with an embedded code. Go ahead and copy this code. This is what will allow your Scribd document to appear seamlessly on your Weebly website. With your embedded code copied, switch back to your Weebly editor page on the top menu. Make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where all your design and content tools are located. Next, focus on the left side menu and search for embed code. This element is essential for adding custom HTML to your site. If you can't immediately spot it, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the menu and reveal all available options. Once you've found the embed code element, drag it into the area of your website where you want the Scribd document to appear. After placing it, click on the element and select Edit Custom HTML. A text box will pop up, and this is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied from Scribd earlier. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Scribd into your Weebly website, allowing your visitors to view and interact with your documents directly on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.